Video we will demonstrate how you can import existing data into a Mongo database. We have in our repository client server directory, and we also have a data directory. The data directory has a seed and a readme. Double click on the readme. And here you see how you can import your data. The seed directory contains the data. We don't look at it because it's a binary file or a JSON describing the structure of the documents. So we focus on how to import it. Well, and here we use the example database P123456, and you have to replace that with the name of your database. Either you import the data per file, that's demonstrated here, or you do it per collection in one step. That's what we will do. That's in here. How will we do that? We have a command for that, that's Mongo restore -d, that's the database, so it will be imported in P123456, or if you have another name for your database, then you should use that one, and we will read the data from this directory. That's this directory. That is if you're working on Mac or Linux. If you're working on Windows, then there is a Mongo restore command as well, -d, and this is a different database, P530578, and we are reading the data from this directory. If you start Mongo restore, then make sure you are in the directory where Mongo restore is located. So cd to the directory where Mongo restore is, and you have to start the command from that line. Well, we're gonna start on, we're gonna do it on the window, on the Linux, Macintosh, and that is Mongo restore. Then the database, we will rename that P123456. I have workspaces in Dropbox. There's a books, it's that directory. There's a data in it, and it has to be the seed, of course. It's this directory. If I enter this command, then you will see it will connect to the database where it's located, that's localhost. This is the directory of one file that is going into the namespace P123456. That's the database name. .books is the name of the collection. It's creating an index, and then it's done. If you want to see if that's properly imported, we have an application for that. I'm using RoboMongo. That's for Mac, Linux and Windows, but you can use whatever application. Go to localhost. Let's see if localhost is there. We see that's the database that's just created, and we see here the books. I have now imported 10 books, and this is the structure of one document. Author, description, modification, date and title. ID is the primary key and V is the version, we skipped that. And this is how we have imported our data in the database.